Audio Jungle.
United Nations along with iCongo for her social impact work. This is in addition to the many national and international awards. Founder of We and She Foundation, she has reached out to more than 1.5 lakhs women and girl children through her awareness campaigns and helped them to lead a respectful and
and having or using the skills you already had previously in your life. I started pursuing sports for my physical rehabilitation, which helped me to balance better, to learn walking quicker, and to actually learn in a better way, like my gait pattern. I had to better my gait pattern. I think the balances that I learned through the sport, I think it helped me to quicken my rehab process. I started playing para badminton in 2014, and in 2015 was my first international tournament, and that was the year when I won my first medal at World Championship in a mixed doubles competition. Since then, I have been playing the sport at in multiple countries and have represented India at a lot of tournaments. My biggest, I can say, one of the biggest achievement has been, getting a gold at 2019 World Championship in Switzerland. Where local servers present, and we had both the World Championship, where you can say Sindhu, where she won the gold medal in the same venue, in the same badminton hall. We can say we all, as para badminton players, had our para badminton World Championship. And I at that time realized that things that I actually preached about, inclusion, I saw that happening when both the events were combined at one place. Since then, a lot of recognitions have come. Like 2020 was a year, I think I can say, a year of recognitions for me. When sports slowed down, I think for me, I was very fortunate to be recognized at multiple international arenas. Today, we are celebrating International Women's Day here, and the theme here is Choose to Challenge. And I just picked up the word challenge over here, and people give me different labels. After attaining disability, people tell me you're physically challenged, you're a person with disability. Government tells us that we are Divyangjan or specially abled. And I think these are just labels that society is providing us. And I think labels are only for packages and not for people. I really wish that, I live in a world where there is no need to celebrate International Women's Day, because I feel we need to be not the first ones, as ma'am said. There are so many firsts, even now we have so many firsts in the field, and I wish I don't be the first in any area. I always be a second, third, or nth number of person who achieved something which many other women have already achieved in the past. I wish to live in a world where on International Women's Day, even if we're celebrating all the genders who identify themselves as women, who identify themselves as whichever gender they wish to be. I'm very happy to know that the SCSC is having its own unit for the transgenders, and it's of great. It was great pleasure to know that Hyderabad or Cyberabad is actually not distinguishing, it's including, it's empowering, and through their Margdarshaks program, through their initiatives like Sanghamitra, more and more people are getting empowered. And I think, how do we empower? I think the best way is you empower by supporting. The way Gopi sir, the way Academy, the way everybody around me has supported me, giving wings to the dreams or ambitions that I have had. I think we as people need to start supporting people. And how do you support? People ask me. And I always say that just say a yes. Just say, aap jao, main kar lunga. Like something, just take care of run some errands for person who's asking for help. don't be afraid to ask for help. Start supporting people by doing different work, whatever they demand. I mean, because I have realized that my colleagues have supported me when I wanted to, or had supported me when I wanted to participate at multiple tournaments. I had left my job and came here to Hyderabad saying that I'm going to give myself little chance and create opportunities in the field of para badminton as a sport and see how much I can sustain. And I truly believe that at first I didn't know that there were opportunities in the field, but right now I see n number of opportunities being created, and I think it's only through support, through margdarshan, and through everybody's belief that this person can do something, this person has, or just believe that we all can do something. I think we all need to believe in people who are around us and support each and everyone who's with us. Thank you again to Hyderabad and Cyberabad for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to share stage with such dignitaries. And I wish all of you a very happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mansi, for joining us here today and sharing your inspiring story.
మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అలాగే కామెంట్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. పక్కనున్న గంట సింబల్ని మాత్రం కొట్టడం మర్చిపోకండి.